Hey guys, Dan's Restorations back again with another video. Today we have the Spring 2025 Toolbox Tour, so stay tuned. So let's start things over here. We have the Dayton 14-inch drill press. It has seen better days. Maybe I will restore it this summer. Leave a comment in the comments section if you want me to restore this. Make it look somewhat brand new. Then over here, I still have my Bauer 6-inch bench grinder. And we have the Chicago Electric Flux 125 welder, along with my hood. And we have the Milwaukee Fuel grinder. Over here in this toolbox, I have all of my Pittsburgh impact sockets. I have the 1/2 inch and 3/8. This drawer I have some Torx drivers. I also have my precision screwdrivers and this little socket set from Gear Wrench. Next drawer I have the rest of my nut drivers and my stubby Icon metric wrenches. Down here I have my Icon snap ring plier set. Here's some tools I need to restore. Here are some snips and these old crimpers. Now, I don't remember if I showed you or if I had this in the last tour video, but here I have these extra long wrenches from Icon. One side's ratcheting, the other's not. Have that in metric. Empty drawer. Oh, no. Here's some more stuff I need to restore. And that's it for this Master Mechanic toolbox. Over here in the Snap-on one, it's honestly just a bunch of stuff I need to restore. And I also have my iPod Classic right there. So, just some drill bits right there. Some pliers, wrenches. I really want to restore that one again. It's not the best. All these wrenches that need to just be cleaned up. Bits for the Dremel. There's some other screwdrivers. Some more wrenches. Pretty much an empty drawer for the most part. Now I'm in the process of restoring this one. It's been a couple months since I last worked on this. And wait till you see what I have in store for this one that I restored, I think a little over a year ago. All my Milwaukee chargers. Now this one has definitely seen a huge improvement since the last video. So here we have the Icon 3/8 drive extension set. Here I have my Vim stubby torque set. I believe these are all Gear Wrench. Yeah, Gear Wrench. Allen keys, metric standard. I also have the Torx. Over here I have my spline sockets. These ones, the universal sockets, I believe these are Gear Wrench too. Yeah. And then the rest of my chrome sockets, those are all Icon. Have these magnetic trays for them. And then I have a 3/8 standard Milwaukee impact socket set, and then 1/2 inch metric and standard Milwaukee set. So I have these ones. These are also, I think these are gear wrench too. Yeah, gear wrench. And then some more spline sockets. Yeah, these ones are all Husky. And I have my speed wrenches over here. This one, if it focuses. Par X. Oh, there goes that one. And then I have another one right there. That one is Craftsman. I have my two tape measures. I have a Stanley and I have Milwaukee. My other screwdrivers, mostly Milwaukee. Also have a gear wrench, Husky, and then my ratcheting extension one. Company is Yankee, I believe. Yeah, Yankee. And I also have a gear wrench pry bar right there. I also have my Milwaukee M12 flashlight. Over here I have all my ratchets. I have my Icon, this one's Icon, my little driver, that's Snap-on. This is Snap-on 3/8, Icon 3/8. This one is Firestone 3/8. This one is just regular Pittsburgh. My Husky locking flex head. Here I have my Snap-on. I believe this is 1/2 inch breaker bar. This one's an Icon. This one's an Icon. And then both of these two are Craftsman. And I just have some adapters back there. Over here, my security bit set, my Milwaukee pick set, my old faithful Milwaukee ratcheting driver, Husky Torx, Icon little bit set, Warrior compact cordless screwdriver set, and then just some small Phillips bits. And over here, pliers, adjustable wrenches. I really like these ones. They're weird, but they're nice. The person that had it before me's initials was TA. And in here, just some other wrenches. I believe these are all gear wrench. Oh no, Husky. Not bad. Then we have a 12-inch adjustable, 10-inch. This is a Proto. This little guy that I restored, if it focuses. Gerard wrench. SK wrench. And we have this auto wrench that is starting to rust because I never use it. And then in here, we have my expensive drawer. We have the Milwaukee Sawzall, we have the Hacksaw right there, the soldering iron, multi-tool. We have their Dremel, M18 impact driver. We have the M12 drill, the M18 drill, 1/2 inch impact, the M12 impact driver, the angle die grinder, and the 3/8 cordless wrench, cordless ratchet. And I do plan on getting the 3/8 impact wrench soon. Down there I just have some hammers, a couple saws, and a battery jumper. I have 2 stands back there and some clamps. All my batteries, some more clamps up here, Charmander, safety glasses, gloves. Didn't realize that Harbor Freight was starting to sell green gloves, so I had to get it. Then we have my gear wrench T-handles. Here's my Max socket set, wooden hammer, and let's see, we have just a bunch of oddball stuff in here. And in this drawer, basically my electrical drawer. Got a couple testers. This one doesn't work, so I'm probably just gonna throw that away. I have some strippers in here, an assortment of shrink tubing, different terminal sets. Got my buffer down there, my giant tap and die set. I have a torque wrench, my different nailers, and other boxed goodies. Then we got my vise, and we have some stuff for my pack out that I got not too long ago, which I will show you that in an upcoming video. And then we have my small air compressor, and that's pretty much it. So if you want me to go into detail about any of the items that you saw, let me know and I will make a dedicated video specifically for that. Thank you very much. Have a great day.